This video is about how to save viola seeds or how to save pansy seeds. The seed saving process is the same as pansies and violas are both from the same family, the viola family. Both European. However, size and petal direction is how you tell pansies and violas apart. To me, they are all gorgeous. Let's get started. But first, we're looking at these violas, pansies, and there are the seeds. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm zoomed in. Pretty hard to see, aren't they? Unless you're really looking for those. Guys, it's September 8th. I'm out here with these gorgeous violas and have some more seeds that we can pick. And you're just gonna come out and look every couple days to see what has popped up. Or you can also see that this is going to be full of seeds as well. I could take that right now if I wanted to. So you just have to kind of stay on it if you want lots of seeds. All right, it's September 9th. I'm going to grab these seeds and these seeds down here. So I'm just going to pinch them off. You can see some of them already popped out. Put that in our bowl. Come down here and get this one. All tangled up. It's a pretty good massive amount though. A lot of seeds for one little flower. Just gonna pinch it off with my fingernail. Yes, this one looks really nice. And this seems to be on this purple one, which is nice as well. It's September 11th. I can see more seeds out here in this viola. And it looks like it's in the pattern that I like. So I'm gonna go in and grab my dish and collect these and see if there's any over here that I want. Look at how huge these beans are now getting. The leaves are starting to die out, and I'm gonna save these seeds for next year for the beans as well. Green seed pod right there will eventually open up and you get these gorgeous seeds. Okay, after you have picked your seeds and you have brought them in, you've put them on a nice flat plate, you've spread them out. Some are automatically gonna pop out. Look at how dry this is. You want your seeds to be dry, so don't rush it. There's no reason to rush it. Give it a week or two and they'll dry out. And to get these seeds off, you're just gonna take your finger and scrape them off. Sometimes they just move off when they're that dry. You can throw this part away or compost it. All right, now that it's all clean, it's time for your second drying. Give it an additional 1 to 2 more weeks, because now you have everything off of this seed and they can totally 100% dry. When you walk by, you can just kind of stir it up. That way what's on the bottom is now on the top. Now you can store your saved seeds either in paper, which will allow the moisture to continue to evaporate, and it has a little bit more airflow in there. Or you can go airtight with some baggies or some glass jars. I do have 2 kinds of baggies over here. One is just the normal kitchen baggies, or we have a jewelry bag, which I got from Michael's, which will allow you, since this is smaller, to actually put inside of Christmas cards if you would like to save and share your seeds with others for the Christmas holiday or birthday, Mother's Day, whatever you would like to do. If you like the idea of sharing your seeds via holiday cards and you don't really care for the plastic option, there are blank seed envelopes that you can get through Amazon or through the actual seed companies themselves. How you choose to store your seeds is going to be up to you, your needs, but mainly your geographical location, dry versus humid conditions. As your ideal seed storing temperature is 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 1 to 7 degrees Celsius. Thank you so much for watching, and I invite you again to subscribe, as I have been gardening for over 40 years and have a lot to teach, show, grow, review, experiment with, and my favorite, a specific variety everything deep dive. So let's try new things together, mix it up, and have a glorious day.